Hi guys, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to try to polish some, one phone of mine. This Sagem, because look at this model, it's beautiful. Too bad of the scratches. Well, the back is not that bad, but the front, man, the front. Look here, yeah. So I'm not gonna disassemble it because I need it to be held together while I polish it. I'm gonna risk it. After I polish it, then I'm going to disassemble it and clean it. Well, the phone was already cleaned some time ago, so yeah, I'm gonna try something. First off, I'm gonna use some scratch remover. Oh, come on. Ew. Like I said, it's been a while since I used this. I think it's it's weird, yeah. Oh, you can feel it a bit abrasive. Okay, now I'll have to let this dry for a bit. Here I have it. This is it. Okay, now I'm gonna need this polishing thing. That's what we can do. Nothing. I hope I do some good job with this. Okay. Throws this thing everywhere. Maybe I made it more scratched, or hopefully do something good, but I don't know what to believe or what to expect right now. Ew. Yeah, oh my god. It looks bad. Maybe this one it will do better. I'm gonna have to do it like this. Ah. Let's check it now. Ah. Ah. Okay. Scratches are still here and I do not like what I'm seeing. Wow. Cute. Uh, Still not good, but it's better. Doesn't look that shady anymore, at least not from one angle. Still looks a bit better than before. Let me try to use less, just this much. Oh wow, it's worse. Oh no, no, it just dries weird. Not perfect, but what do you expect? It's old plastic. Yeah. What I can try to do now is do something else. However, I'm gonna have to clean my lens first. Oh, and I have to be extra careful not to scratch it because, you know, it's abrasive. Dang it, I should have used a filter. Doesn't look too good, but it doesn't look too bad either. Well, I took basically the more coarse part off of it. Let me try to use again that polish, but this time with a cloth. This last time. Okay, by hand apparently looks a bit better. Well, after I took the harder part off, yeah, it's a better than nothing situation. Well, I've done the polishing part. Now I think it's about time I do the cleaning part. And what's in this? What's on here, man? It's annoying. So here we have this. Come off. What's it holding here? Okay. Okay, so now. There we go. Ew, look what's in these buttons. See? It's not perfect, but again, it's better than nothing. I am unsticking this part off. I can clean it better. Come on, there we go. So the metal frame. Oh, would you look at how this paste got here? Oh boy. Oh no, not on the display, man. Good. Now to disconnect the display. There we go. All right. On the there's left is the main board and whatever is behind it. Like the speaker and other stuff. Okay, actually take this rubber cover off as well. Okay, this thing will remain here. Get these buttons out as well. Okay. Ah, good. This is removable as it is. All right. Here's the loudspeaker. Get this little rubber door out. Okay. Good. Now, well, nothing much. These things are together. Oh, this. Also little rubber from the microphone. Is it glued? Nah. There we go. Removable, like I like them. Good. I'm gonna put them in the ultrasonic cleaner, but I can't let them too much because the cleaning agent there is very very powerful. Yeah. Why not? As well. And you. So, yeah, these other things I'm gonna clean here manually. Alright, I'll put this to clean and be right back. Let's take these. This should be enough time. Time to get back to work. Alright, let's make it right. Well, at the end of the day, still need a wet wipe. Well, the scratches are less, well, they are noticeable, but they are not screaming in my face anymore. Let's put it back together, somehow. So here we have the loudspeaker. Looking good. This thing. Okay, this goes in here. Come on. Okay. Don't forget about this. Okay. Now, ah, frick. Where are the buttons? I forgot to clean and put the buttons. Ah! Anyway, be right back. Got it. Now, well, you know what I have to do? I have to disassemble everything. Son of a... Alright, get this out of the way. This should just go in here, you know. Minimum force required. Finally. Okay. I have to make sure that the buttons are going in properly. Let's see now. So, okay, time to screw it back. All right, done. Oh, come on. All right. Well, this is the kind of the best I could do to it. So yeah. Let me go get my battery and my SIM card. Okay, so let's put a SIM card in. Shove this battery and the battery cover. And that's kind of it. Let's see the Sagem my810X going. Yeah, I can kind of see the the spots where it's polished, but nothing you can do. Copy SIM, no. Yeah. And the squeaking sounds, but what can you do? It's not that good, but it's a bit better than before. I mean, before I polished it, the scratches were basically screaming in my face. Now they're not that bad. Okay, it works. The Bluetooth is turned on. Why though? Connectivity, Bluetooth, mode, off. There you go. Well, the phone works. That's kind of it for this one. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you found it useful, you know, leave a like, subscribe, follow, and I'll see you next time. And I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Let's take a selfie. Yeah. Options deleted. Okay, guys. Bye.